Hi there, this is Karen from Soul Shimmer Designs and welcome to today's TeckWrap tutorial in which I make this super cute Valentine's Day bookmark using the TeckWrap acrylic blanks. The tools that I used for this project were my squeegee, the pinpoint weeding pen, the larger weeding tool, and my TeckWrap craft knife as well. Plus I used this strong tack, but you could also use the medium tack cutting mat. And the bookmarks come in a set of 5 and they're a great size, these bookmarks. Now for the vinyl that I used was the Mirachrome Red, the Mirachrome Royal Pink, the Mirachrome Begonia Rose, and the new Pearl White. So a really cute Valentine's Day combination here. And I wanted to show you how easily these vinyls cut. And also this gives you a bit more of an idea of the gorgeous colours that these vinyls are. So that was the Mirachrome Red. This is the Royal Pink, which is one of my favourite colours. It's just, I use this quite a lot. This is the Begonia Rose. And you can see you don't need a lot for these bookmarks. There will be some scraps left over, and this is the Pearl White. Now the first thing you need to do with these bookmarks is remove the protective coating or protective sheet that's on there. I use my thicker weeding tool for that, it's perfect. And then I've printed out a copy of my design just to make sure that it's fitting properly on my bookmark. There's a little bit at the end there where one of the stars don't fit on, but that's no problem. And I wanted to show you how some of the colours that you can see in the Pearl White, and just burnishing down with my squeegee, making sure that sticks nicely to the mat. And then with the Mirachrome vinyls you have this protective covering as well, so you can either remove that before you burnish your vinyl onto the mat, or you can burnish it first and then remove, like I've done here with the Royal Pink. You can see there the protective coating is sort of shriveling up as you burnishing that, but that's quite easy to remove. And the last one is the Begonia Rose, and I'm burnishing that down and then removing the protective sheet from that one as well. So now I've cut all my elements out, and I'm using my weeding pen to remove the excess vinyl. So the red Mirachrome has the love hearts on there, the Pearl White has the clouds of the rainbow, the Royal Pink has the flowers, and the Begonia Rose has the stars. Then I use some of my TeckWrap red grid transfer tape, and it's just a matter of layering each of those elements together. So you can see I use the burnishing technique with my squeegee just to remove the backing sheet onto the transfer tape. And then you can use a piece of parchment paper to line these up, but I just normally eyeball these, which is because I do a lot of this work. I find this quite okay now, but at the beginning you definitely want to use some parchment paper just to line it up perfectly. There was a couple of pieces of the rainbow that I had to fix, but it wasn't such a hard thing to do. So now we've got 2 elements there, the flowers, and the next is the love hearts, which is the red Mirachrome. Again, just eyeballing that, but you can put a piece of parchment paper in between the transfer tape and the vinyl that you're wanting to stick on. I just find this easier to add all the elements together first rather than doing it directly onto the acrylic blank. I do it this way first. So it's looking good. And the last element are the stars, which is the begonia rose, and the last piece of the rainbow. So I'm just burnishing that down with my squeegee and removing that, again removing the backing paper using my squeegee for the burnishing method. And there we have it, we're ready now to put onto the acrylic blank. I just use my printout copy as a guide, and that's quite a helpful tip, that one, printing out for an acrylic blank. And then just a matter of sticking onto the acrylic blank, using your squeegee to burnish that down and peeling away the transfer tape. And you'll see there's absolutely no issues with these mirror chrome vinyls or the pearl white vinyl sticking, or they come out really well. And I use my craft knife there at the end. One of the clouds was a little bit bigger than the actual bookmark piece, so that was easy to just slice off. And there we have it. Now we just need to pop some ribbon through, and I like the larger eyelet holes that you've got on these bookmarks. You can use some nice ribbons rather than tassels. And that's the finished product. So you can see the beautiful colours of the pearl white coming through and those mirror chrome vinyls. So thanks for watching today, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye bye.